Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am gonna show you how you can make custom emojis for your Discord server. So first of all, go to this website. I'll provide a link in the description. So this is the free to use software to customize your wall icon or Discord emoji. So first of all, log into this website and via Discord to use this website. You have all features for free. As you can see, this website has a lot of emojis. You can use any one of them for free and also upload your own. For now, I am gonna customize this emoji. I'm going to copy this emoji color to use it in my emoji. I'll provide you some emojis like that in the description so you may copy these emojis color and use it in your emojis. Or you can use your own emoji color. So now go to the any image color picker website and paste your image there and copy the color you want. For now, I am going to remove the shape of the emoji. You can add if you think that is good for you. Now paste the color code that we copied and it will change the emoji color. So now let's add the shadow in the emoji to make it more cool. Simply paste the color that we copied or you can add any other you want. This is what we just made. The previous website provides the limited access of emojis, but in this website we can get a lot of emojis to use. This website is known as a flaticon.com. So now select the emoji and click on the edit button and change the emoji color and simply download the PNG file. Now go to this website again and upload the emoji that we have downloaded from flaticon.com and then set the radius and download the emoji. After downloading the emoji, simply upload the emoji in your Discord server and use it. You can also add different types of shapes to your emojis, and you can also make emojis by text or numbers. I hope you enjoy this simple and short video. Make sure to leave the like and subscribe my channel. And you can also join my Discord server if you need any type of help. We will try to help you. So, and bye bye. Have a nice day.